Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Xbox Live subscription, follow these easy steps to stop automatic renewal and prevent future charges. Step 1. Go to the Xbox website at xbox.com or access your account through your Xbox console. Step 2. Sign in with your Microsoft account that's linked to your Xbox Live subscription. Step 3. Navigate to Services and Subscriptions or Account, then select Subscriptions. Step 4. Find your Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass subscription in the list of active subscriptions. Step 5. Click Manage next to the subscription you want to cancel. Step 6. Select Turn off recurring billing or cancel subscription from the available options. Step 7. Microsoft may offer you alternatives like a discounted rate or switching to a different plan. Decline these if you want to proceed with cancellation. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation and note that you'll still have access to Xbox Live features until the end of your current billing period, and check your email for confirmation of the cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.